Hello everyone, this is Aether and I'm here to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Marble Blast Portable 3.0. I'm going to show you how to upgrade from your previous version and how to install and use your components. So what you can see here, I have a folder called Downloaded Files to represent any files that you're going to be downloading off of the internet. Inside it we have all the components that you could have, and we have Marble Blast Portable 3.0.zip. This is the file that you're going to be concerned with first. You're going to open it up to find all the files that you need to extract. Right now, though, I'm going to move it into the other directory here so we can see it much easier. I personally have WinRAR, which is a zip file manager, among others. You may not, but if you don't have it, you're going to have to use something else. Windows Explorer has its own zip file extractor. If you're using WinRAR, open up a new window, and this tutorial will work for 7-zip as well because they're very similar. Drag the folder called Marble Blast Portable 3.0 out into another directory and let go, and it'll extract. Now I'm also going to show you how to do that through Windows Explorer. You probably will just have to double click it, but for me I'm going to have to go to Open With and choose Windows Explorer. Once again a new window opens and you can see the folder, and once again you just drag the folder into the same directory. This time it's going to take a little longer because it's from Windows. I could close out that zip folder, and now that it's extracted, I can delete our zip file. Inside here we see all the files of Marble Blast Portable. Inside the Components folder we see Place Components here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back into the Downloaded Files folder. Now, each game has its own component. Each component ends in .r, a number, and .game. The number shows what release version of that component it is. Right now, every component is under its first release, so they're all .r1. Each game is packaged inside its own component, and you do not have to install every component. You can choose which ones you want to put into Marble Blast Portable. This allows you to better manage the file size and keep the game much smaller. I personally am going to take every component with me eventually, but I'm going to show you what happens if you don't. If you start up Marble Blast Portable, and you try to play a game, Marble Blast Gold for example, you'll see it tells me the component is not installed. This will happen for every game that you don't have a component for. It tells you to download it, and we already did. So I'm going to close Marble Blast Portable. I'm going to go back to our downloaded files. I'm going to move them into the Components folder. Now when I open Marble Blast Portable, give it a second, and I try to launch Marble Blast Gold, rather than telling me the component's not installed, it'll go right into the activator, as long as you if you haven't activated yet. This player data folder is automatically created when you first run Marble Blast Portable. It is where all of your game settings, achievements, high scores, unlocks, and everything else are stored. I'm going to delete it right now because I'm going to show you how to move over from your previous installation of Marble Blast Portable. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go into my, oops, wrong folder here. I'm going to go into my Games folder, and I'm going to go into my old Marble Blast builds. If you have a 1.0 build, that's the one with the circular interface with the icons around the edge of the circle. If you go into the App folder, then into the Game folder, you'll see all of your Marble Blast games and a folder called Marble Blast Portable. This is the one we're going to be concerned with. Right-click the folder and choose Copy. Then in your new Marble Blast Portable directory, right-click an empty space and choose Paste. Now you're going to have to rename it, so right-click the folder and choose Rename. I guess I can't show it on the camera here. Hold on, I'll try. You right-click and choose Rename, and you're going to rename it to Player Data. The capital letters are required. Now, if you have an older or a newer version than 1.0, let's say you have 2.0, that's the one with the square user interface, with the icons in lines along the square. Inside the same folder as Marble Blast Portable, you'll see a folder called Marble Blast Portable Data. We're going to do the same thing with that. We're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it into the new Marble Blast Portables directory. And once again, we have to right-click it and choose Rename, and then rename it to Player Data. What this will do is allow you to save any unlocks and activation from your previous installation without having to redo everything from Marble Blast Portable 3.0. And finally, the way you tell how an update to Marble Blast Portable 3.0 or its components are available is to visit the Marble Blast Portable topic of the Marble Blast forums. So, I'm going to do that right now. We have a link to it in the README. Right here. So we're going to click on that, and Firefox is going to open for me. And here you can see my post. Under download, there is a list of currently available versions. I told you how to identify release numbers for the components. Marble Blast Portable's release number can be found on the main launcher interface in the bottom left-hand corner. You see this is version 3.0, and according to Firefox, 3.0 is the current version, so we know we're up to date. Hopefully this made things a lot clearer, and enjoy Marble Blast Portable.